The Subsonic Wind Tunnel, the AF1300, provides a compact and practical open-circuit wind tunnel in which to study low-speed aerodynamic effects. TecQuipment manufactures a comprehensive range of models and instruments to accompany the apparatus. This allows a wide variety of experiments and demonstrations to be conducted. In studies of aerodynamics, few engineers have access to full-scale wind tunnels or actual airborne laboratories. Most rely on what is probably the most common tool for aerodynamic study, the laboratory-based wind tunnel. This tool saves both money and time. It gives very accurate results as long as the scale effect and reduced Reynolds numbers are taken into account.